Stop playing tug-of-war with your PCBs or wiring. Get a third hand that never shakes, slips, or quits. Stay tuned to see how this product can help you. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product review. Today we're looking at the NEIKO 01902 adjustable helping hand with magnifying glass and 3 things you need to know about it. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate that. Please look in the description for the URL to use for purchasing this item. Thing number 1, and this separates it from some of the other helping hands that are out there, it includes a 2x magnifying glass to make things a little easier to view. And this is when you're trying to get 2 wires hooked together, if you've got a fairly dense printed circuit board or PCB, that just is going to make you have a better chance of having a successful end to the project. Thing number 2, when working on smaller circuit boards or when you don't need as much help, there are 2 alligator clips to give you that little extra grip on things in order to keep the PCB to where you need it to be for the best results on soldering the parts on there. Thing number 3, the helping hands clip and magnifying lens are adjustable to help get things to where they will be able to do the best job for you. So take a look at this and think about getting one today. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.